I'm Alex Valandia and welcome back to AutoViz, where we cover video usage in the automotive industry and where we can give you best tips, tricks, and practices to help your team be more efficient than ever. But there's a tough truth I want to discuss this month. Does your team even see the benefit of video in the sales process? Well, to find out, I went to Grapevine CDJR to ask their sales team pros. How would you want to use video as a part of your process?
We actually do use video. So nowadays, 90% of the clients are online. If you get somebody from out of state, you do a virtual, walk around or, kind of like a demo, easiest way to knock that out. So it does play a big factor nowadays in our career.
How would you like to use video as part of the sales process?
I would say using video as a part of the sales process is really beneficial when it comes to creating a relationship with the customer. They get to see your face, connect it with a name, kind of get to see your personality a little bit more versus, words on a screen, a text message. A phone call is good, but you can always kind of go the extra mile and really introduce yourself. It does definitely create that bond of trust, if you will, right off the bat. A lot of dealers, people have their biases, but at the end of the day, we are all consumers and we just want to treat people how we would want to be treated if we were going to purchase a vehicle as well.
Really well said. Fantastic. Thank you, Grapevine CDJR, for having us out. Obviously, your team sees the benefit of having video as part of their process, but that's not the entire story. One of the toughest things that you're going to have to deal with in your dealership is adoption, and that's going to start from the top down. Managers, I want you to go ahead and hold your team accountable. Have them send out X amount of videos a month. Now have that number tied to a bonus. That's really going to inspire them to get those videos out. If you really want to get their competitive juices flowing, make it a competition. Have that top salesperson with those most videos get that bonus. But wait, does every vehicle on your lot, both new and used, have a video walkthrough? Well, if it doesn't, it should. And this is the opportunity to get your sales team familiar with video. Each one of those video walkthroughs, it's going to be useful for your team to share amongst each other, but also you want to be able to respond to those leads more quickly. Those videos and that video library is going to help you do just that. Be fast, be personable, be useful. This is Alex with AutoViz, and we'll see you next time.